In this video, we will learn some new words. So let's start. Our first word is away. Meaning of away is distance from something. Whenever we talk about distance from any particular thing or person, we can use the word away. Let's clear it with some examples. My sister took care of the dog while I was away. When I was out of home, then I can say, when I was away, my sister took care of the dog. I ran away when I saw a dog barking on the street. As when I saw a dog barking on a street, I ran away. Next word is blame. Meaning of blame is responsible for something that happened wrong. Let's understand this word with some examples. You cannot blame anyone without any proof. Particularly, blame word is used when we make someone responsible for something that has happened wrong. Next example is, do not blame Ram for Rohan's failure. Next word is hesitate. Meaning of hesitate is not saying anything because of fear or nervousness. Whenever sometime we are nervous or we fear from something, we try not to saying anything in front of any person. At that time, we are hesitating. Let's take examples. If you need anything, don't hesitate to call me. I hesitate while speaking in public. Next word is raise. Meaning of raise is to move at higher position. Let's take example. She raised her hand to ask a question. A girl in the figure raises her hand means move her hand to the higher position to ask a question in the classroom. His boss raises his salary. It means the boss has increased the salary of the employee. Next word is advice. Meaning of advice is to give suggestions. Whenever we give suggestion to any person, we can use the word advice. Let's take example. I don't know about cars. Can you give me your advice? It means I am going to buy a car, but I don't know much about cars. So can you give me your advice? Next sentence is, I need my mom's advice. My mom can advise me the best, so I always need her advice. So now your homework is to make sentences using these words.